See, Sishnu, Sishkansi, Saki. Today, we're on a journey to unlock the secrets to a healthier, happier you. You know, so many people think living a healthy life is complicated. They think it requires expensive gyms and fancy diets. But let me tell you, friends, it doesn't have to be that way. We're going to explore simple, practical tips that you can easily incorporate into your daily routine. We're talking about the small changes that make a world of difference. So, are you ready to feel your best and live your life to the fullest? Let's get started. The way you start your day sets the tone for everything else. And what better way to wake up your body and mind than with a tall glass of water? Think of it like this. After a long night's sleep, your body is naturally a little dehydrated. That first glass of water is like a refreshing wave, rehydrating you and kick-starting your metabolism. And you know me, I'm all about getting that body moving. Even a little bit of exercise in the morning, like a brisk walk or some simple stretches, can work wonders. It gets your blood flowing, boosts your energy levels, and helps you feel ready to conquer the day. Trust me, starting your day with these two simple steps can make a world of difference. Let's talk about food, friends. Remember, you are what you eat. When you fuel your body with nutritious foods, you're giving it the building blocks it needs to thrive. And it's not about deprivation, it's about making smart choices. Load up on colorful fruits and vegetables packed with vitamins and antioxidants. Choose whole grains that provide lasting energy over processed foods that can leave you feeling sluggish. Think of your plate as a rainbow. The more colors you see, the better. And don't forget about healthy fats, like those found in avocados and nuts. They're essential for brain function and keeping you feeling full and satisfied. Remember, healthy eating is a lifestyle, not a diet. It's about nourishing your body with the good stuff so you can live your life to the fullest. You know, many people don't realize that good health starts in the gut. Your gut is like a garden. And just like a garden needs fertile soil to thrive, your gut needs the right balance of good bacteria. This is where fiber comes in. Fiber acts like a prebiotic, feeding the good bacteria in your gut and helping them flourish. And where can you find this magical fiber? It's abundant in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and legumes. Adding probiotic-rich foods like yogurt or fermented foods like kimchi can also give your gut a helpful boost. A healthy gut means better digestion, a stronger immune system, and even improved mood. So, make sure you're showing your gut some love. Friends, water is life. It's essential for every single function in your body. When you're properly hydrated, your body works like a well-oiled machine. But when you're dehydrated, everything suffers. You might feel tired, sluggish, and even experience headaches. Make it a habit to sip on water throughout the day. Carry a reusable water bottle with you and aim for at least 8 glasses a day. You can even add some flavor with slices of lemon, cucumber, or mint. Listen to your body. If you're thirsty, drink up. Now, let's talk about the importance of a good night's sleep. Sleep is like hitting the reset button for your body and mind. When you sleep, your body repairs itself, your muscles rebuild, and your brain consolidates memories. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep each night. Establish a regular sleep schedule, create a relaxing bedtime routine, and make sure your bedroom is cool, dark, and quiet. A good night's sleep will leave you feeling refreshed, energized, and ready to take on the day. Diabetes is a growing concern, but the good news is that it can be managed with simple lifestyle changes. One of the most important things you can do is to maintain a healthy weight. Losing even a small amount of weight can make a big difference in managing your blood sugar levels. Regular exercise is also crucial. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate intensity exercise most days of the week. And of course, a healthy diet is key. Choose foods that are low in saturated and trans fats, cholesterol, and added sugars. Your heart is a muscle. And just like any muscle, it needs to be taken care of. One of the best ways to keep your heart healthy is to avoid trans fats, which are found in many processed foods and fried foods. These harmful fats can raise your bad cholesterol levels and increase your risk of heart disease. Make sure you're eating plenty of fruits, vegetables, and whole grains. And choose lean protein sources like fish, beans, and poultry. And don't forget about exercise. Regular physical activity helps to strengthen your heart and improve your overall cardiovascular health. High blood pressure is often called the silent killer because it often has no symptoms. That's why it's so important to have your blood pressure checked regularly. One of the best ways to lower your blood pressure is to reduce your sodium intake. Avoid processed foods, which are often loaded with sodium, and cook your meals at home using fresh ingredients. Regular physical activity is also essential for maintaining healthy blood pressure levels. Feeling bloated and uncomfortable? Acidity and gas can be incredibly bothersome, but thankfully, there are simple home remedies that can provide relief. Ginger is a natural digestive aid that can help to soothe your stomach and reduce gas. You can try drinking ginger tea or simply chewing on a small piece of fresh ginger. It's also important to avoid trigger foods that you know can cause you problems. Spicy foods, fatty foods, and carbonated beverages are common culprits. Just as important as physical health is our mental well-being. Stress and depression can take a toll on our minds and bodies. One of the most effective ways to combat stress and boost your mood is through mindfulness. Taking just a few minutes each day to focus on your breath and be present in the moment can make a world of difference. And of course, regular physical activity is a fantastic stress reliever and mood booster. Everyone wants healthy, glowing skin, and you don't need expensive creams or treatments to achieve it. Nature has provided us with some incredible ingredients that can work wonders for our skin. Honey is a natural humectant, meaning it attracts and retains moisture. It also has antibacterial properties that can help to fight acne. Aloe vera is another powerhouse ingredient for skincare. It's incredibly soothing and can help to heal burns, cuts, and other skin irritations. Dandruff can be embarrassing, but it's a common problem with simple solutions. One of the best ways to combat dandruff is to keep your scalp clean and healthy. Avoid using harsh shampoos that can strip your scalp of its natural oils. Tea tree oil is a natural antifungal that can be effective in treating dandruff. You can add a few drops to your shampoo or create a scalp treatment by mixing it with a carrier oil like coconut oil. Hair loss is a concern for many people, but there are natural ways to promote hair growth and prevent further hair fall. Onion juice is a surprisingly effective remedy for hair loss. It's rich in sulfur, which is essential for hair growth. You can extract the juice from an onion and apply it directly to your scalp. Leave it on for about 30 minutes before rinsing it out. Coconut oil is another great option. It can help to nourish your scalp and strengthen your hair follicles. We all want clear, even-toned skin. Lemon juice is a natural bleaching agent that can help to fade dark spots and blemishes. You can apply lemon juice directly to the affected area or create a mask by mixing it with honey or yogurt. Turmeric is another powerful ingredient for skin brightening. Its anti-inflammatory properties can help to reduce redness and inflammation, while its antioxidant properties protect your skin from damage. You don't need a gym membership to get in shape. There are plenty of effective exercises you can do right at home. Bodyweight exercises like squats, lunges, push-ups, and planks are fantastic for building strength and toning your muscles. You can also use simple equipment like resistance bands or dumbbells to add an extra challenge to your workouts. Remember, consistency is key. Even just a few minutes of exercise each day can make a difference. Ayurveda is a holistic healing system that has been practiced for thousands of years. It emphasizes the importance of balance in the body and uses natural remedies to promote health and well-being. From turmeric to ginger to ashwagandha, Ayurveda offers a wealth of natural remedies for common ailments. And don't underestimate the power of simple home remedies passed down through generations. Feeling under the weather? Ginger is a natural decongestant and can help to soothe a sore throat. You can try drinking ginger tea with a spoonful of honey, which also has soothing properties. Gargling with warm salt water can also help to relieve a sore throat. Rest is crucial when you're not feeling well. Give your body the time it needs to heal. Our bodies are constantly bombarded with toxins from the environment and the foods we eat. Detoxifying your body can help to eliminate these toxins and improve your overall health. Drinking plenty of water is essential for flushing out toxins. You can also try incorporating detoxifying foods into your diet, such as leafy green vegetables, lemons, and ginger. Piles can be a painful and embarrassing problem. One of the best ways to prevent piles is to eat a high-fiber diet. Fiber adds bulk to your stool, making it easier to pass. Drinking plenty of water is also crucial for preventing constipation, which can contribute to piles. If you're experiencing pain or discomfort, over-the-counter creams and ointments can provide relief. From minor aches and pains to digestive issues, there are many common health problems we can address at home with simple remedies and healthy habits. Establishing a regular exercise routine, eating a balanced diet, and getting enough sleep can go a long way in preventing and alleviating many health issues. And don't underestimate the power of listening to your body. If something doesn't feel right, don't hesitate to seek professional medical advice. Friends, living a healthy life is a journey, not a destination. It's about making small, sustainable changes to your lifestyle that add up to big results over time. Remember, you don't have to be perfect. Every step you take towards a healthier you is a step in the right direction. So, drink your water, eat your fruits and vegetables, move your body, and don't forget to nourish your mind and soul. And most importantly, listen to your body. It knows what it needs. I'm so glad you joined me on this journey to a healthier, happier you. Until next time, stay well, my friends.